I'm Carl with DI Labs, and we're problem solvers. In fact, I'm a solutionologist. And we really focus on applying our tools and technology to help solve our customers' problems. I'm here in the Fused Filament Work Center at DI Labs, and I'm sharing with you an announcement where we're beta testing Stratasys' OML program on their 450MC, which is running behind me. What this means is that they were able to run new materials on the Stratasys platform, like PEEK and PAEK-SC and Nylon 666. We've never really been able to run materials like this on a system that's as robust and consistent as the Stratasys platform. We've always had to use open source systems, and with that has come a lot of unreliability, a lot of tinkering, and now we're in the place where we can run validated high performance materials on a high performance machine. So we're working with Stratasys on this global launch of OML. We are the beta partner in the US, and we're going to be running these new materials. So we're really looking for projects where we can apply these materials in unique applications. So we're looking forward to you reaching out to us and being able to help you solve your problems with really high-end FDM materials.